Welcome to GEM Engineering Industries India Private Limited, manufacturers of world-class hydraulic fittings and hose assemblies. Company owned premises of 2000 square yards with capacity of 100 CNC turning machines. State-of-the-art corporate office which include design, quality and support functions.
Having a distributor network, we cover almost all the states in India and we provide our services to OEMs and a public premium limited, Navratna companies like defense and R&D etc. Our objective is to get clients satisfied, our quality, efficiency, cost-effective services, talented and dedicated team are compliant this. In 3 years, we will spread our tentacles in more than 20 countries. Our vision is to recognize as a vendor of a choice of high-quality hydraulic fittings and adapters by our customer globally.
Spacious training and conference hall facilities. Learning is a continuous process. At GEM Engineering, trainings are scheduled across all departments throughout the year.
For the machining, first process is cutting.
Trainings of various kinds on Lean, Six Sigma, 5S, operational health and safety, environment management and soft skills training across different levels are conducted. The raw material at the stores is always stocked as per the capacity planning of every quarter. Demarcation of raw materials as per international standards and grades. The present infrastructure is so built keeping in view the future expansions. Top-class machineries as per requirements to meet the ever-increasing demands of high-quality hydraulic fittings. GEM's technical capability of mechanical engineering has proved time and again with professionally qualified team. GEM has an ever-increasing focus on research and development, through which it is able to provide solutions to various customers for each of their unique requirements and problems. Fully capable to develop products of high mechanical precision requirements for critical application across various industries, for which it can deliver tolerance requirement of 0.01 microns. State-of-the-art testing lab from raw material, in-process, semi-finished, finished, assembly stage and pre-dispatch stages facilities. Strong practice for quality and environment has made an inbuilt character of GEM. Quality products, on-time delivery and effective price has made GEM a pioneer on world stage in hydraulic fittings.